Yesterday. Chidanand. Seems you have
Hello.
network issues. Yes, Chidanand.
Sir, not audible properly, sir.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, no issues. I'll ping you in the WhatsApp. Okay. Guys, is my voice clear? Audio clear, guys? Any issues with my audio?
Sir, my network issue, sir.
Okay. Okay. Done. No issues.
Your
Okay.
voice is clear, sir.
Okay. Done.
My side problem, sir.
Okay. No problem, Chidanand. No issues. Okay. So just 1 minute, just wait for 1 minute. Actually, the file is converting, so then only I'll get all your responses in the chart. Okay. So any questions in the meanwhile, just you can ask me.
Sir, from now, we need to maintain at least 2 servers, right, sir? 2 instances. One is source and destination.
One question for you. Okay. So
in further classes also.
One question for you. So you are planning to move the house. Now tell me how many years you are going to maintain 2 houses. 2 houses, you know, right? The meaning of 2 houses.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of 2 houses? Tell me, just asking casually. You just plan to move, okay? And you moved from old house to new house. You just moved. How many years you are going to maintain the old house? Tell me.
Till complete the new house.
Correct, right? Even though the new house is completed, even though you completely move to the new house, okay, you will wait for one month or 2 months until you got a good offer. You will sell. It's not mandatory that, sir, do I need to sell my old house? No, it's not mandatory. If you want, you can keep it. No issues, right? But you're going to get losses, right? In the same way, if you want, you can keep the old server, but you have to pay the licenses. Okay, you have to pay license for a Windows machine, you have to pay license for SQL machines, SQL servers, and you have to pay licenses for some third-party tools also in that machine, right? So how many years I am going to maintain? It's your wish. How many years you don't want money, you can maintain the server. But usually we'll monitor for 2 weeks, just 2 weeks. If everything looks good, we'll decommission the old server. Got the point? Yes,
Yes, sir.
Clear, right? So until everything is settled down in your new house, the old server will be there. Once you're comfortable with your new house, once you got any good offer, you will sell the old house. In the same way, okay, here also we'll decommission the old server after 2 weeks. 2 weeks means we'll wait for the 2 weeks. That is called buffer time. We'll wait for this buffer time in case if any issues are there with the new server, we have the old server so we can roll back. But I don't find any issues with the new server. Everything is going smoothly. So why I need old server? Why I have to pay license for the old server, old VM, okay, old Windows operating system, old SQL server? Why I have to pay licensing without using? So that's why I'll simply decommission the old server. Okay. So let's check the answers. Let's check the answers, guys. Fanindra said yes. Okay. Divya, yes. Yes. Lata Shankaran, yes. Shravan Kumar, yes. Murali Krishna, no. Praveena Upputuri, sorry. Yes. Okay. Meghna Reddy, yes. Malleshwar Rao, yes. Sachita, yes. Subhani Sheikh, yes. Narendra Acharya, yes. No. Let's go with the no, guys. Okay. No idea, na. Okay, Raghu. Okay, fine. Okay, yes. Kiranmai, yes. And no. Who is this? No. Madhavi. Okay, done. Why Madhavi? Why no? Charan, yes. And Sampath, maybe no. Okay, so how many of you said no, guys? Madhavi said no. Okay, and no idea, not counted. Yes, no, sir. Murali Krishna said no. Okay, no. Usha said no. Okay, done. Yes. Okay, done, guys. Okay. What about Sanjeev? Sanjeev, yes or no?
Yes, excluding temp DB.
So we have to restore the system databases, right? Guys, simple logic. If we restore the system databases, how it can be 2019? Your 2017
Yes, sir.
system databases will be 2017 only, right? Right? How it can be migrated, guys, in such situation? Logic, very basic point, guys. If you are migrating system databases, okay, your SQL Server version, everything will be stored inside your system databases, guys. You are simply saying, again, I am going to restore my 2017 system databases to 2019. What is the use to migrate then?
Yes, exactly.
Your SQL Server version will be stored inside in your system databases. Okay, how come you restore the system databases? Very simple point, right? Very basic point, right, Sanjeev? How we are
Yes,
going to
yes.
restore the system databases? Okay, in that case, what is the need of migrating to 2019? How it is going to treat it as a 2019? Okay, guys, so we don't
Okay.
restore any system databases. Yes, Sanjay, your voice is completely breaking. I'm sorry.
Okay, no problem, sir.
Yeah. Okay, this one I can hear properly. That's okay. Okay, so guys, please don't miss that. Okay, kakar kai, kekar kai. Please, this is very important point. We don't restore that system databases, guys. Okay, we'll restore only user databases. Your SQL Server 2019 version will be stored in system databases. If you restore again 2017 system databases, again you will get 2017 here also. It is not a 2019. So system databases, we don't touch it. System databases as it is, we are going to keep it, and only user databases we are going to move, guys. Okay. So my guess is correct. Whatever I thought, I just expected from all of you the same thing. Only 2 or 3 people said correct answer, which is no. Okay. Wantedly they said no. Knowingly they said no. Unknowingly they said no. But I don't know. But the answer is no, guys. Okay. Fine. So let's try to restore the databases. We just copied all the backups, right? In our destination server, we have 4 backups. We'll restore all the 4 backups, guys. Okay. So you know, right, how to restore. Yes, please. You can
My
ask the
voice is
question.
मान लीजिए for example one table is in master databases. How to move to the into SQL Server 2017 to 2019?
So first of all, we don't save any tables in the system databases. Okay. First of all, we don't save any tables, any user related tables in the system databases. 2017 system databases, okay, it will get its own system tables. 2019 system databases, it will get its own system tables. Okay, we don't move any user tables and we don't store any user tables in the system databases, first of all. Okay, it's not recommended. Clear?
Okay.
Yeah, so we don't store any user tables in the system databases. Observe, okay, you will get a basic system data you will get basic system tables like 4 or 5 in the master. Okay, and the model, I don't think you will get any tables. In the model, you don't get any tables by default. Okay, why? Because if you create any table in the model, those tables will be copied to the newly created tables, right? Agree?
Yes.
Correct. Those tables will be copied to the newly created table. So we don't create any system tables. And of course, in the MSDB, lot of system tables will be there. All versions will get the same system tables. In 2019 MSDB also you'll get, see here. This is my 2019, right? Let me show you. Usually you will get it. Okay. System databases, MSDB, tables. You will get it automatically. System tables, whatever system tables are there, these are by default system tables that you will get when you install the SQL Server. Okay. So usually we don't store any data in the system databases, guys. So the basic point is, if you restore 2017 master database, again you will get 2017 master database only. You won't get 2019 master database. Okay, fine, done. So let's try to restore the user databases. Right click, restore database. Okay, from device, browse, add. You know, right, how to restore. Okay, so this time I just saved in the folders. Okay, Madhu, Azure, yeah, backups. Okay, let's try to restore one by one. DemoDB, double click, click OK. Okay, so files, relocate files and folders, options. Okay, there is no DemoDB. You can click it, no issues, overwrite in case if you thought might be database is there. If there is no databases, it will skip this option. If there is a database, it is going to overwrite. Restore with recovery. I don't have any further backups to restore. Okay, just restore, guys. That's it. Okay, So now try to restore all the databases in the same way. Restore database, device, browse, add. Okay, where is my backup folder? Modu Azure. Second, employee demo. Double click. Okay. Files, relocate files and folders, options, restore with recovery. That's it. Okay, done. Second one is done. Click OK. Databases, restore database, device, browse, add. Okay, so go to this Modu Azure backups, double click on the backup student database. Okay, and files and relocate files and folders, options, restore with recovery. Okay, click OK. Done. So 3 databases we have successfully restored. Okay, done. Click OK. And again, 4th database, right click, restore database, device, browse, add, select the backup folder, Modu Azure backups, and double click test process admin. Click OK. Options, relocate files and folders. Guys, as we did all these things, that's why I'm going too fast. Okay, that again, don't claim that sir you're going too fast. Okay, we have already discussed all these things. If we discussed all these things, okay, we'll go a little bit fast. Okay, options, restore with recovery. That's it. So this is how we are going to restore the databases. Okay, in the organization you might have big databases, so it might take a lot of time, guys. So once we restore all the databases, what is the next step, guys? Okay, so let's frame it. First of all, what and all objects are there in my source server, guys? This is my source, right? So we have databases, right? We have databases, right? We have logins, we have jobs, we have alerts, we have operators. Okay, so how many objects we moved till now?
Only database.
Databases.
Done. Okay, this is completed. Next, then the next step is logins, guys. So let me show you the orphan users now. Okay, so as we just moved the databases, definitely we'll get the orphan users, right? As per the yesterday's concept, in 2 cases we'll get orphan users. In what and all cases, guys?
Sir,
Login
backup
deleted and
and
another one is
restore
migration.
login deleted.
Right. So one case is backup and restore. First case is backup and restore. And the second case is when you delete the existing logins. Okay. So let me drag it. This is my SQL Server 2019. Okay. This is my database. Just now I moved. So when you move the database, along with the database, you will also get a lot of users. In case if users are there in the database, you will get users. Okay, now this user became orphan user. Actual login is this. Okay, this login is there in the source server, but the same login is not there in the destination server. So definitely this user will become an orphan user, right? Chalo, let's go and check how to check orphan users, guys. What is the query? I want to see. Yeah.
SP_change_user.
Okay. Okay.
Underscore login.
Yes, correct. Okay, so guys, listen carefully. So orphan users we can check in multiple ways. Using custom query, you can check all the orphan users in the whole SQL Server first thing, or using one stored procedure. So in case you want to check in the database level, you have to use this stored procedure, guys. sp change users login.
change.
Okay, remember this one, guys. This is a common stored procedure. I want to generate a report of the orphan users in the demo DB. Guys, you will get only the orphan users in the demo DB now. Okay, let's execute this. There are no orphan users, guys. Very good. Let's go and check in the other database. Okay, employee demo. See here, how many orphan users we got, guys?
4.
4. Okay. 1 minute, guys, please. What is the shortcut for text editor?
In tools only you can get tools.
Where is the tools? Sectional tools, no, right?
Customize.
Options.
Options.
Item showing recently used files list. Text editor. Font you can see somewhere. Tabs, window, web browser.
Font and colors, sir.
Yes, fonts and colors. Output, right?
Just a refresh, sir. Refresh will, you know.
Change underscore user underscore
Subhani.
logins.
Subhani.
Sir. Sorry, sir.
Subhani. Documents file and replace, right? So plain text editor, extended statement completion, this one. Let me check.
No, sir, that only. But we need to refresh or reboot.
Reboot is required. Okay.
Just restart 2
Let
minutes.
me try to restart, guys. I want to get a output, guys, proper output. That's what I'm doing. Okay. Wait. Options, fonts, statement completion editor tool, command window, output window. Okay, for this I have to change output window. Done. Now if you execute array, right? Output window only, right? Size is 20. Plain text. Let me restart it. Let me close and let me reopen, guys. Not applying. Statement completion editor tool, all text tool windows. Just 1 minute, guys. I just want to increase the output font. Text grid results, query and view design.
Grid results, check it, sir. Grid results.
Grid results.
Text editor, sir.
Text editor. Text editor also I tried. Changes following some changes until you restart the application. Options, fonts. Okay. Text editor is already, it's 20 only, right? It's not applying. Extended print, cut copy, statement completion. Statement completion is also same 20 only. All text windows. I guess now it will be applied for all. Okay, let's try to restart now. We'll see whether it is going to work or not. What you did, Madhvi, last time? I forgot about
Same,
it.
sir. No, same, sir. But we have to restart, sir. We have to
Okay,
close all the.
let's try this time. It's not applying. It's not applying. Okay, chalo. Let's try to execute. Let me execute on. Okay, employee demo, guys. Okay, what is the query? SP change users login. What is the query, guys? A report. Okay, so if you execute, you can see there are 4 orphan users are there. Okay, if you see here, there are 4 orphan users are there, and if you see here clearly, okay, so check it, guys, or else let me do one thing. Okay, let me open notepad, let me show you. Okay, control V, see here. So Anand, what is this, guys? The number, you can see one number, right? What is this number?
SID.
SID, guys. Okay, so if you see here, user SID, you can see the column name as user SID. Okay, so you can see here, means if you see any users in this command, if you see in this output, okay, sp change users login report, if you execute it, okay, if you see any users in this list, that means these 4 users are orphan users only. If you go to demo DB, if you execute the same command, you don't find it. Why? Because in the demo DB, no orphan user is there. Okay, but in the employee underscore demo, we have 4 orphan users, guys. Let's try to check the student. Okay, where is the student DB? Student. Okay, so if you execute, let's see. We have 3 orphan users in the student, guys. We have 3 orphan users in the student. Okay, let me mention here. Student. Okay, so we have 3 orphan users in the student, right? And in the same way, let me try to check the test process admin. Okay, and if you execute, there are no orphan users. So we have orphan users, guys. You can see here. One is under employee underscore demo. Second one is under student database. We have here under employee underscore demo, we have 4 orphan users, and in the student database, we have 3 orphan users. Guys, give me 1 minute. I'll be back. Just 1 minute.
Hello. Hello, Madhvi.
Yeah, hello, yeah, yes. Who is this?
Yes, in show settings, you tried grid results.
No, I mean, I just tried in a normal text only. I mean, who is this? Raghu or Anand? I
Yes,
don't know.
yes, Raghu.
Yeah, Raghu. I did only tools options only, but you have to reset the system, I think. So.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
just I checked it now in Google. It's showing if we change in grid results, then it's going to increase the font
You
size.
tried in grid results also, right?
Try
Options.
no show settings, sir.
Sure.
Show settings.
Where is the show?
Upside, sir. Show settings. Find results window is
Okay.
there.
Show settings.
Grid results. Grid results.
Grid. Okay, grid results. This is also 20 only, right?
Yes.
We need to start multiple times. We have to restart, sir. That day also I did same.
Oh, okay,
Issues.
done.
Yeah.
No problem. Okay, so if you see, guys, here in some databases I have orphan users, in some of the databases I don't have orphan users. Means I did not give access to test process admin demo DB, so that's why I don't have orphan users. Okay, if you expand and check it also, you don't find any orphan users in the under user section. These are the default users, guys, not orphan users. These are the default users. So no issues with this. So here, if you see, if you go to security, if you go to user, see here Anand, Ankam, app team, okay, Dhanunjay, Divya, right, Yatish. If you observe, okay, how many of users you can see, guys, actually? Anand, Dhananjay, Divya, Yatish. Why I can see only Yatish, Divya, Dhananjay, Anand? Why not Ankam and app team, guys?
They are from Windows, right? Sir?
Windows logins. They are Windows logins. Okay. So Windows logins, no issues. If you create Windows logins, automatically users will be, it will be fixed. And there is another way of finding, guys. Okay. It's not like this. Once if I create Ankam in the Windows level, no issues. The issue will be cleared. But for this, for SQL logins, we will get orphan user issues, guys. Okay. So let's try to fix it. How to fix it, guys? Yesterday we discussed 4 ways, right? One is create login with SID. Okay, so that is the first method. Second one is, anyone remember the second method? Update one.
Auto fix. Sir.
Okay, third one is auto fix.
Upgrade method.
Okay, fourth one is sp_help login.
Yes.
Okay, so try to go with each method, guys. Create login with SID. This is an excellent method, guys. Very easy method. The advantage with this method is whenever you create a login with SID, for example, see here, Anand is there in this list. Anand is also there in this list. Agree? Yatish is there in the first list. Yatish is also there in the second list. If you use this method, okay, no need to fix it in each database, guys. This is employee_demo, guys. The database name is emp_demo. Okay, and the second database name is student, guys. If you use the first method, okay, the issue will be fixed in all the databases at a time. What we are doing, guys, create login with SID. What is the user SID? This is the SID. We are going to create Anand login with the same user SID. So in what and all databases Anand is there, automatically Anand orphan user issue will be fixed, guys. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. What is the solution to fix the orphan user? Parent is not found. What is the solution? You have to create the parent. Once you created the parent, is it going to fix the issue? No. Actually, you have to create a parent with the same SID. Okay? The same SID. In that way, you can fix the issue. Now, check it carefully. Okay? Let's try to fix it. I'll create Anand login. I'll create Yatish login with the SID, guys. What is the query, guys? What is the query to create new login?
Create login.
Create login. Login name.
Data create login name with password.
With password.
Single quote के अंदर password
is equal to
single quote के अंदर कोई password.
I'll give 1 2 3 password. Simple password. Okay.
लेकिन check underscore expiration property is off.
Yes. With password comma
SID.
Yes, SID. What is the SID, guys, for Anand? What is the SID for Anand? This is the SID. Control C.
Yes.
Control V. Okay.
Yes.
Comma. As you are giving very simple password. Okay. Listen carefully. As you are giving very simple password, I have to turn off the policy, guys. While creating new login, if you remember, I'll uncheck the policy, right? New login.
Yes.
New login. Enforce password policy, I'll uncheck, right? SQL login. Okay. Something like Anand. Imagine ANAND. Okay. I'll uncheck the enforce password to give the small password. Okay. So instead of using that option, you can give strong password here, guys. Okay. You can give strong password here, but I'm giving very simple password so that I'm going to check policy off, check underscore policy is equal to off, check expiration is equal to off, is equal to off. That's it, guys. This is the query for creating new login. If you see here, there is no Anand login. See here, this is not Anand login, not Anand login, not Anand login. No. Madhavi is there. Okay. So let's execute this now. Done. Completed successfully. Let's refresh it, guys, now. See here, Anand login is created, right? Chalo. Let's go to this window now. Okay. Let's try to execute same query, whether we'll check whether Anand the orphan user is there or not. Okay. What are the databases, guys? Anand orphan user is created. Demo, not demo DB, employee demo and student, right? Let's execute the query on employee demo now. See here, there is no Anand now. Let's go to the student database and let me execute the same query. Okay. See here, there is no Anand. Earlier we have 4 3. Now you have 3 2. Agree?
Yes.
Just 1 minute, guys. Please 1 minute. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Any issues, any doubts in the first method?
Sir,
Yes, please.
during to the backup, orphan user will be created. Backup and restoring.
Yes.
If already logins is available,
Hmm.
if you can backup to be restored, then orphan user
Tell
will
me
not be
how
created.
it will be. How it will be. Tell me. See,
Because
your
sir,
question is
SQL
correct.
login
Let me
login
explain.
is migrated.
Login is migrated, but the thing is, okay, how you are migrating the login? Are you creating a new login?
No.
No. How you are migrating it?
Sir, there are the one Microsoft script password
That is
as it is
different.
same on the old server.
See, that is different. That's what we are going to do. That is another method. Got the point?
Okay. But
here we have 4 methods, right? This is first method, and we have 2 more methods. Then whatever you're saying, that is the 4th method. We can migrate all the logins at a time using this 4th method.
Okay.
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 Why we have to learn all these things, sir? Directly, why don't you tell this 4th method, guys? This is important. Okay. Sometime
no problem.
in the interview, they will ask you update one autofix. Okay. And during always on, this is the only way to create to fix the login issues, guys. During always on, this is the only way to create to fix the orphan user issues. Okay. First method is the only way to fix the orphan user issues. That's why we are discussing all the methods, not to confuse you, but it's good always if you know the extra things and all. Okay. Guys, is this clear? First method. Is the first method clear, everyone? Simply, I just created a new login with the respect to SID. Sir, why you used script? Why don't you use the GUI? We don't have that option using GUI, or else you are finding difficulty in creating a new login. You don't know the script. Go to logins, create new login, give the login name. Login name is Anand. Okay. Let me go like this. Next time I'm going to fix the Yatish. Okay. Yatish login. Yatish 123 tab 123. I'll uncheck this password policy. Done. Right. Fine. So now what I don't go to any of these things. I'll simply script out this action, guys. Okay. Now you will get the Yatish login script, right? Done. Don't do anything. Simply what you can do is for this script, okay, simply add SID is equal to what is Yatish SID, guys? What is Yatish? If you see here, both SIDs are same 0xA411120. This and this also same. Okay, now we are creating the parent itself with the particular SID. Okay, so in this way you can fix it, guys. Right? That's it. If you don't know the script, generate a script, add SID parameter. That's it. And just add comma. That's it, guys. Okay. Earlier you can see Atish output, right? In the output, you can see Atish orphan user, right? If you see here, you can see Atish orphan user. You can see here. Okay. For what is that employee demo also, you can see Atish. Let me execute. See here, Atish. Third record. So let's try to execute this script now. Let's check whether we can see it or not. Okay, again refresh it. We just executed the script, guys. Yatish login is created now, and go to this and go to this. Okay, now you can see Yatish, right? Execute it now. You don't see Yatish now. See, there is no Yatish. And execute the same on student database. Okay, it will be fixed on all the databases, guys. See, earlier we have 4-3. Now when I fixed the Anand issue, we have 3-2. Now, when I fixed the Yatish issue, we have 2-1. Is it clear, guys? Clear? Using SID. Okay. Simply, I'm creating a login with the user SID. That's it. As SID is equal, so it is fixing in all the databases, guys. That is the advantage with the first method. Okay. If you create a login with a user SID, in what and all databases the user is present, in case if the user is present in 32,000 databases, if you use first method, it will be fixed in all 32,000 databases, guys. Including permissions, nothing to worry about, sir. this Anand and Yatish, whatever permissions they have in the 2017, are they going to get the same permissions? Yes. If you have still doubt, give some permissions to Anand, check whether he is getting it or not in the 2019 server, guys. Fine, clear, right? So let's go with the next method, auto update, guys. Okay, so now what I'm doing, guys, let's again delete the Yatish login. I'm deleting the Yatish login. Wantedly, I'm deleting the Yatish login. I want to generate Yatish orphan user again. Okay, you can see here Sampath only is there. Let me execute. Now you can see Yatish login. Why? Because login is deleted. And if you go to this employee demo, again you can see Yatish, guys. In what and all databases, Yatish is a user. In all the databases, you can get this orphan user, guys. Chalo, let's try to fix it in the update one method. Okay. Guys, in the update one method, you have to create Yatish login manually. Right click, new login, SQL Server authentication, Yatish. Okay, password I'm giving 123 and again 123. Okay, uncheck enforce password policy. This time I'm not giving any access. Click OK. That's it. But what is the challenge? If I create Yatish login, is it going to fix automatically? No. What is the challenge, guy? Why it is not fixing automatically?
Sir, SID
Due to
is different.
SID is
Very good. This
SID is
Yatish,
different.
whatever login you have created now, this Yatish SID is different. This user SID is different. This Yatish user SID is different. If you equal both of them, definitely the issue is going to be fixed. How to equal, sir? Okay, sp underscore change underscore users underscore login. Okay, now you have to use update underscore one, means you're updating. Hey user, okay, this is your username, this is your login name, update one. Okay, comma username and login name Yatish, comma what is the username, guys? Yatish. What is the login name, guys? Yatish. Sorry, not Latish, Yatish. That's it, guys. Means you're saying, hey Yatish, okay, your username is this one. Let me correct it. Yes. Okay, so your username is Yatish and your login name is Yatish. User and login, your SID should be equal. Okay, so now let me execute this query, guys. Done. It was executed successfully. Now check it. Once it was equal, once both the SIDs are equal, now orphan user issue will be fixed. Now can you see Yatish? Go to the student database. Okay, can you see Yatish now? Done. Very good. Okay, what is the disadvantage with this method, guys? The disadvantage is you have to execute in each database. Update one, auto fix. The disadvantage with these two methods are, in which database the user is there,